Hi, how is it going? Today, I just want to continue talking about some sentences or some phrases that are useful and sometimes they can be meaningful according to the context that we are going to use. So in this case, I'm going to share with you some phrasal verbs. When we talk about phrasal verbs, we are talking about, first of all, a verb. As you can see right here, we have a verb and also we have a preposition. So the first one that we have for today is call of. The second one is another call for. So the first one is a verb and the second one is a preposition. And then we have another one, call and back. So the first one is a verb and the second one is a preposition. So the same thing with the last one. The first one is the verb and the second one is the preposition. So all of them have different meanings and we are going to check the meaning of each one. So when we talk about the first one, call of, we usually are talking about when you telephone someone. So we have some examples and we can say the Colombian army called off reserves to prepare for the conflict. So in this case the meaning is to order someone to join the military. So another example could be that song always calls up memories of my childhood. In this case, the meaning is a little different and it means to evoke a memory or feeling. I called you up later tonight. This one is another example and the meaning for this one is to make a phone call to someone. Now I have the other phrasal verb, call for. And in this case, we are going to use it. In this case, it means to deserve a particular action. And the example right here is, this good news calls for a celebration. And we can, or I can give you more examples. One could be to demand that something happen. They angrily call for Robin's